Alright, listen up. You need to contact Robinhood like now? Stop scrolling. Stop thinking. Let's get this done. Step number 1. The Help Center DUH. Go to the Robinhood app or website. See that little account icon? Click it. Then find Help Center. This is your starting point. Don't go searching for some secret phone number. This is where you start. Step number 2. Search your problem. Type your issue into the search bar. Account locked, transfer issues, whatever. Be specific. Robinhood's got articles, FAQs, the whole 9 yards. Read them. Maybe your problem's already solved. Step number 3, still stuck? Live chat or email. If the articles don't cut it, look for Contact Us, Chat, or Email Support. Most likely, you'll find a live chat option. Hit that. Type your problem, get to the point, and no fluff. If chat isn't available, email them. Be clear, concise, and include screenshots if you got M. Step number 4. Phone support if you're lucky. Sometimes buried deep, you might find a phone number. But here's the truth. Robinhood prioritizes digital support. Phone support is often limited. If you find it, use it, but don't count on it. Tip: document everything. Take screenshots of error messages, save chat transcripts, keep copies of emails. This is your proof. If things go sideways, you'll have the evidence to back you up. This is your money. Treat it like a business.